What's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Turnage Dubois. Welcome back. Today we have this piece of figured maple. It's rated AAA, so should be pretty figured. I want to try and do a small hollow form out of this. A little bit rounded off, hollowed out a little bit, of course, and then maybe do a finial for it, a little bit of a lid. I don't know, something like that. But it's 5 inches across, 3 inches deep, so won't be super big, but I'm pretty excited to see what we can do with this. So let's get going. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that project where we took that piece of curly maple and we turned that hollow form. So we have our finished piece, a little bit of a concave lip on the top for just some extra texture look, different design. We have our finial made out of Curly Redwood. So I got that piece from Bruce Jordan over at Jordan Woodworks. He sent that to me a long time ago. I turned a small lidded box out of that. Originally had this leftover piece, wanted to do something interesting to keep that curling look that you get in the maple into the two-tone of the finial as well. So definitely big shout out to Bruce Jordan. I'm going to put a link to his channel right up here because he is getting ready to turn a piece out of the same wood. It is some beautiful wood. It is amazing. So definitely check out his channel and be watching for that piece he's finishing up. So I do want to also give a big shout out to my good buddy Seth over at Brick House. Definitely, I'm going to put a link to his channel right up here. Definitely go over and check out his channel, watch his projects. He does some absolutely amazing work. He's got an awesome one in the works. I'm not going to give any spoilers out, so just be watching for that, but it is going to be out of this world. So definitely go check out his channel and subscribe and be watching for upcoming projects. If this is your first time here at my channel, please do consider subscribing. If you like that video, give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, feedback down below. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down, leave a comment, feedback down below. That's how I grow, and I do appreciate each and every one of them, and I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. So at any rate, we will catch you next time.